Happy weekend to one and all, and welcome to Destination Jamaica. This weekend is an exciting one. We have the Jamaica Athletics Invitational happening today at the National Stadium, and then tomorrow we have our beloved Mother's Day. Now let's get into today's update. Now we welcome our cousins. Dina Asha Smith and also Marie Talou as they are on the island today for the Jamaica Athletics Invitational. Africa's fastest woman, Marie Talou Smith, is basking in the vibrant Jamaican atmosphere as she gears up for the Jamaica Athletics Invitational today. During her visit, she was warmly welcomed by no other than Jamaica's own track superstar, Shelly and Fraser Price. The two athletes, accompanied by their husbands, indulged in a delightful double date, capturing their joyous moments and sharing them on social media for fans worldwide. Expressing her excitement, Talu gushed about Jamaica feeling like home, attributing it to the warm reception from fans and the sisterly bond that she has with Shelly and Fraser Price. She stated herself, Shelly is like my sister and she is from Jamaica, so it feels like home, and I'm really excited to be here. Despite the event not originally being on her schedule, Talu couldn't resist the allure of Jamaica after overwhelming requests from fans. She said, this meet was not even in my program, but everyone from Jamaica was saying they wanted me to come and run in Jamaica. So I just spoke to my coach and we decided to add it to the program. That's pretty great. Welcome, Talu, and we're sure that you are having a good time. And Shelly, Shelly is just a great host. She will ensure that her cousins have a great time. And of course, at the meet today, as they are greeted by Jamaicans, they'll feel just like family. Despite the competition that we have on the track, we really big up them artists here. We really rate them. And they know it too. Now joining Talu at the event is British sprint sensation Dina Asha Smith, who is equally thrilled to compete on Jamaican soil for the first time. With her Jamaican roots and a deep admiration for Jamaican sprinting icons like Fraser Price and Usain Bolt, Asha Smith describes the opportunity as a dream come true. Since I was younger, I always wanted to run in Jamaica. I grew up watching Shelly and Fraser Price. I grew up watching Usain Bolt. And so to be able to come here to what I feel like is the cultural hub of sprinting in the entire world is a dream come true for me. That's what she stated. So welcome to Dina. Have a great one. She posted that she was at the National Stadium. They're soaking up the niceness of Jamaica because despite what one Jamaica, Jamaica nice. Not true. Now let's move on to the meet, Jamaica Athletics Invitational, and reading directly from the athleticsja.org. So they stated, known for our world-class athletics and stunning tourist attractions, Jamaica offers a unique experience for track and field fans around the globe. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, JAAA, is dedicated to promoting the sport within the country. By hosting the Jamaica Athletics Invitational, a World Athletics Continental Tour Silver meet, the JAAA directly aligns with its core mission. The event not only provides a familiar competition environment for our athletes, but also allows them to showcase their talent directly in front of the Jamaican public. Now, who I got the invitational today? It's so pretty excited as we have some of the top names performing. Now, it happens today, and based on the website, they're saying that bleachers is free, so you can bring the whole family, and do your thing. Now, if you want to do the grandstand, that's 2,500, where you get see the home straight view, assigned seating, and you have the concession access. Now, for the finish line is 3,000. You get everything that the grandstand gets plus finish line seating. The meet starts today at 7:15 p.m. or about 7, where the first event I'm seeing is the triple jump for women, then the discus throw for men, then we have high jump. 400-meter hurdles for men and women, and it goes all the way up to 9:30 p.m., where the most anticipated events, the 100-meter for men and women, will close out the exciting evening. Now, of course, we'll see some of our superstars, like for triple jump, we'll see Shanika Ricketts. And then it's a world meet, so people from all over the world. Like in triple jump, we have Dominica, USA, Bahamas. For the women's 100-meter dash, which is event 14, there's Serena Cole, Wallis, Pinta, Soli, Ramona Burchell, Smith, Moodis, and Media, all Jamaicans. And then for the women 100-meter dash, we have Brianna, Tia, Joseph, Talu, Steiner, Nelson, which is Kimber Nelson, Alana Reel, and Tina Clayton. It's sure to be a fantastic evening, so go if you can. Now let's move on to the final sports update. We have more updates coming for you in shorts and so forth, and we probably do a longer video. And join us later today when we'll try to do the updates just for you. Now let's go on to Merlene Ottey. Happy birthday to her. Now she was actually born on May 10th, but belated happy Earth Strong to our wonderful Merlene Ottey. Now, Merlene Ottey is a trailblazing athlete whose name is synonymous with excellence, perseverance, and longevity in the world of track and field. Born in Cold Spring, Hanover, Jamaica. Now, Ottey's her journey from humble beginnings to global athletics stardom is nothing short of inspirational. From the moment she busted into the scene in 1978 representing Jamaica, it was clear that she possessed a rare talent and determination that would propel her to unprecedented heights in the sport. Over the course of her illustrious career, spanning an astonishing 24 years, she became a fixture on the international stage, captivating audience with her electrifying speed and sheer tenacity. Merlene's list of achievements read like a catalogue of greatness. A 9-time Olympic medalist, she holds the record for the most Olympic appearances by any track and field athlete, gracing the world stage 7 times with her appearance. Through Olympic gold, though Olympic gold may have eluded her, her collection of 3 silvers and 6 bronze medals is a testament to her consistent excellence and unwavering dedication to her craft. But not just on the Olympic stage, Merlene left her mark, with 14 World Championship medals to her name, including 3 golds, 4 silvers, and 7 bronzes. She solidified her status as one of the greatest sprinters of all time. Her prowess in individual events with a record-setting 10 medals earned her the title of the Bronze Queen, a nod to her uncanny ability to rise to the occasion when it mattered most. What truly sets Merlene apart, however, is not just her staggering array of medals and records, but the remarkable longevity of her career. From her debut at the 1979 Pan American Games to her swan song at the 2012 European Championships at the age of 52. Hear that? 52. Merlene defied the odds and shattered expectations at every turn. Her enduring presence on the track is a testament to her unmatched passion for the sport and her refusal to let age be a barrier to her success. Beyond her athletic achievements, Merlene's impact extends far beyond the track. A trailblazer for women and athletes of Caribbean descent, she inspired generations of aspiring athletes to dream big and chase their goals with unwavering determination. Now, her legacy serves as a reminder that hard work, perseverance, and a belief in oneself, with that, anything is possible. As we celebrate Merlene Ottey on her birthday on her Earth Strong, let us not only applaud her remarkable accomplishments, but take inspiration from her extraordinary journey. She may have hung up her spikes, but her legacy as the queen of the track will continue to inspire and uplift athletes around the world for generations to come. Happy 64th Earth Strong, Merlene Ottey. Wishing you many, 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 many more. Enough blessings, love, life, and light for life. Now that's it. We hope you enjoyed this one. As usual, we'll have more coming your way. You have a blessed day. Have a great Saturday. Make a soup and beer things. And tomorrow is Mother's Day. And we'll do a video just specially for Mother's Den. Alright. Take care of yourself and each other. Until always. Well.